And the story says, newly installed JTA President Mark Malava has denied that partisan politics has influenced the stance of the association toward the current wage negotiations with the Ministry of Finance. The JTA walked out of Friday's meeting to discuss a new contract for teachers after the ministry failed to make an improved offer from no increase in the first year and a 2.5% increase for the other 2 years. The union has also issued an ultimatum, which is seemingly being ignored by the Ministry of Finance. There has been speculation, the RJR article says, that the newly installed JTA president's position on the negotiation is political posturing, considering his previous declaration of a support for the People's National Party. Mr. Malava had sought to represent the PNP in Western St. Thomas for the September 2020 general election. The party eventually selected another candidate. Mr. Malava responded to the concerns Tuesday on the morning agenda on Power 106. Here's the quote now. I have not declared any support for any of the political parties. Let's get that out of the way. The JTA, he says, consists of a diverse group of individuals across all constituencies, across all parties, and across all communities. When I step out as president, I step out to represent every single teacher, 25,000 teachers across the island. This has nothing to do with politics. This has to do with the livelihood of 25,000 teachers. The words of Mark Malava. So you could then understand